Welcome to the Bodhi Academy. My name is Shrutika and today let us learn about the anatomy of heart. So we all know that heart is the major pumping organ of our body which helps in pumping the blood into our body. So this is very helpful in the circulatory system. In the heart with the blood and the blood vessel forms our circulatory system. So today we will learn about the anatomy of heart, that is various parts and the function in the heart and how the heart works. So the first part in the heart is the aorta. So the aorta is the main artery which supplies oxygenated blood to the various parts of our body. Then comes your right atrium. Okay, so heart consists of four chambers: right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle and the left ventricle. So we will study about each of the part in detail. So first is the aorta. So aorta is the largest artery in the body, originating from the left ventricle of the heart and extending down into the abdomen, where it splits into two branches called as the iliac arteries. It carries oxygenated blood. Away from the heart and distribute it to the other parts of the body, and the aorta has several segments including the ascending aorta, aortic arc and the descending aorta. The walls of the aorta are composed of three layers: the intima, media and adventia, and its diameter varies along its length. The aorta is essential for maintaining blood circulation throughout the body, and any damage of or blockage to aorta can lead to serious health complications. So this is the aorta. Then the right atrium. So the right atrium is a chamber in the heart that receives deoxygenated blood from the body veins. So the deoxygenated blood travels into the right atrium. Then comes the next part, that is the right ventricle. So the right ventricle is a chamber of the heart located lower right portion of the heart. It receives blood from the right atrium and pumps it into the lungs through the pulmonary arteries. The right ventricle is characterized by thin wall and ascending and crescent shape. Then comes the next part, that is the left atrium. So left atrium is one of the four chambers of the heart which is located upper left of the heart above the left ventricle. It is responsible for receiving oxygen rich blood from the lungs and pumping it into the left ventricle. So this will receive the oxygenated blood from the lungs and then it will pump it into the left ventricle. So the left ventricle will receive the oxygenated blood from the right ventricle and it will from the left atrium, and then it will pump, the left ventricle will pump it into the aorta. Okay, so then from the aorta the oxygenated blood will be supplied to the rest of the body parts. So this is how the pumping of the heart works, and this is how the various parts of the heart help in functioning of the heart. So this was about today's video. So thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the Bodhi Academy.